Hey, I'm Dr. Ursula T. Wright, and I just want to take an opportunity to thank Dwann, Holmes, and Brand on Demand Media. Listen, it is nothing like consistent branding, having the back of your business. I've been so privileged to work with them over the last year, and I'm telling you, it has really helped my audience to kind of flow into the artistic vein of everything that we're trying to do. One of the things that we don't realize is that branding is such an important part of our business. Everywhere we go, everywhere you look, whether it's social media, on a print flyer, you want your constituents to know how to find you. What do you look like and what do you stand for? And I'm telling you, I've just had such amazing results with being able to level out the branding for my company, build revenue, and build an audience. Listen, if you're thinking about branding, if you haven't made the leap, haven't made the step, say it costs too much, what I'm telling you is you cannot afford not to invest in branding. One more time, I just have to say thank you to Brand on Demand Media for taking our business to the next level.